Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we do have a nice little unboxing to do from the good folks over at Culture Kings. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. We're gonna go ahead, unbox the items, and also show you guys how I would go ahead and style the items that were sent over to me. Culture Kings is a great one-stop shop if you guys are trying to build an outfit when it comes down to your streetwear look. They do have a ton of brands that they provide on their web store, so if you guys are interested in anything that I unbox or anything that you guys see on the Culture Kings website, they were nice enough to go ahead and provide a discount code. So if you guys are interested in using my discount code through Culture Kings, it does save you guys a little extra money on your Culture Kings purchase. It'll be linked down below and also on the screen as we speak. So all right, you guys, getting into the box, you guys can see how packed this is. A lot of dope items in here. I kind of game planned how I'm gonna go ahead and style a couple of these items, so really good stuff. Like I said, use that discount code. First item in this video is this dope corduroy LA Dodger fitted hat. As you guys can see, it does have the blue corduroy details to it, MLB logo on the back, black brim. This is very clean in my humble opinion. You guys can see I probably look like the baby off of that one that one album cover, but I do love the corduroy hits on this hat right here. Something different in my fitted rotation. Next item in this haul is gonna be this brand Carré. I believe it's only carried through Culture Kings, but I picked up this beautiful blue striped soccer jersey with a polo on it. I don't even know if this is considered a soccer jersey, but I did get it in a size large. Perfect for the summertime because I feel like the 2024 summer is just going to be consisted of full jerseys. Let's say Carré LTD on the front, established in 1789. Very, very clean jersey. It has a nice little hit with the rose right here. If you guys are interested in this one, I did go with a size large, and we'll go ahead and piece together an outfit.
Styling the jersey, I did toss on a nice little pair of Stussy Big O shorts in brown, some white tube socks, and a pair of Mason Maharas. This shoe I'm not going to be able to take off this summer, but this jersey is also fire, and like I said, I did go with a size large.
They did go ahead and toss in this t-shirt from the brand Loiter. It says human on the front and it says made for the human race. Very clean details to it. As you guys can see, it does have that nice little raised effect to it with the distressing. On the back, it does have 98, kind of giving it a jersey vibe as well. I told you guys it's a 2024 jersey summer. This one's a size large on me. The graphic that they went ahead and sent over is this Loiter graphic t-shirt. It has the mouth biting an ice cube, and then inside it does say Loiter as well. There you guys have the front, and on the back it has the big hit with the same graphic. As you guys can see, very, very clean graphics. Culture Kings does provide a ton of the wrap tees and graphics, so if you guys are still into those type of graphics, make sure to go ahead and utilize that discount code. One thing that excited me on the Culture Kings website was that they picked up strawberry, so they did have a ton of items that were kind of sold out. Picked up these black thermal strawberry pants in a size large. I did go up a size just to kind of have it fit a little looser and baggier. So as you guys can see, it has the whole thermal print throughout the whole thing. Very lightweight, so maybe in the spring, summer nights that you can wear these, you know, kind of like on the colder nights, of course, or just hold off and wait for the winter time. But I do love the way these feel and probably the way they fit. It says strawberry right here, little tube hit strawberry on the tag as well. Very cool to see that they carry strawberry.
So for sweatpants, I'm not really a big fan of sweatpants, but whenever I'm lounging around, this is kind of something that I would go ahead and toss on. Nice boxy t-shirt, waffle knit strawberry sweatpants, and a pair of Margielas. Super clean. Definitely would recommend sizing up in these sweatpants if you guys are interested in them, just to have a looser look.
Thing that I love on the channel is always trying new things, and these Puma Palermos are definitely something new in the rotation. I do have two different Pumas in my collection, but the Palermo is definitely a different model that I've never had. I love the pop of blue to these. As you guys can tell, they're very, very bright and vibrant. Perfect for the summertime. I honestly cannot wait to wear these. Super clean Puma Palermos, nice blue colorway with the gum sole. As you guys can see, the gum sole in these, just look how clean they look on camera. That toe box is also, see it, the Samba Margiela toe box, whatever you guys want to call it. But
so looking back at this outfit, I could definitely do without the flannel and just have the shoes be the pop of the outfit, but I do love the pop of blue with this shoe right here. Definitely would recommend the Puma Palermo if you guys are interested in a nice beater to have in the summertime.
Alright, last clothing item in this haul. I did pick up another jersey. The nice little jersey from Majestic NFL collaboration. It's a Miami Dolphins jersey. Shout out Tyreek Hill. That's the only Miami, oh, and the quarterback, I don't remember his name, Tua, whatever, you guys know the vibe. This is just a clean jersey to have for the summertime. Nice pop of pink, number 66 on the back. and then it does have the Miami Dolphins logo right there. This one I did go with a size large. I probably could have gone with a size medium, but we'll just go ahead and rock it a little extra baggy.
Styling the jersey, I do wish I kind of got a medium, but this large fits me fine. Wearing it with another pair of Stussy big ol' shorts, some white tube socks, and some new schools. This is kind of like my go-to look with the big shorts and whatever top. White tube socks, my perfect look for the summer.
Rocket came here. You guys want to say hi to Rocket? He came here to say what's up. Say what's up to the camera, dude. Shout out Culture Kings. Saving the best for last though, we did go ahead and pick up a pair of Asics, which they do provide through Culture Kings. This one is a woman's colorway, so I went with a size 11 women's, which is a 9.5 conversion, I believe. This is a gel 1130, probably one of my favorite models from Asics. It's a nice white and green colorway with a couple hits of nice cream on it. The perfect shoe for the summertime. If you guys are looking into Asics, this model right here is only $100, I believe. The Asics gel 1130 is probably one of my favorite models from Asics. Super comfortable, super affordable, and this colorway is clean. You do have the nice pop of green with the aged cream midsole. You guys can see it, nice little hits of green on the back as well.
I would consider this outfit a very lazy summer day, shoulder shrug to that, but I do have on a white t-shirt, boxy cut to it, some big ol' shorts from Stussy and Brown, white tube socks, and the Asics. I feel like I said, big ol' shorts, white tube socks, and any outfit is just going to be my perfect duo for the summer, but I do love how comfortable these Asics are.
That does wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button for me, subscribe if you guys are new here. Shout out to Culture Kings for sponsoring this video, and like I said, if you guys saw anything in this styling video slash haul, make sure to go ahead and use my discount code and that link down below. It does help out the channel a lot. So catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a great blessed day. Instagram, Discord group, and all the things you need will be linked down below. Catch you on the next one. Peace. For all the homies who stuck to the end of this video, make sure to drop the crown emoji, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through. For all the Culture Kings. That was kind of cringe, but yeah, shout out to Culture Kings once again. Catch you on the next one. Peace.